If you knew that just a few minutes could erase days of tension, would you take them right now? Imagine this. You're sitting at the end of a long day, the kind where everything seems to demand a little more of you than you have to give. Your shoulders feel like you're carrying the weight of a backpack full of bricks. Your jaw is tight, your breath is shallow, and your mind is racing at a speed you didn't authorize. You tell yourself you're fine, but your body is shouting the opposite. That was exactly where I found myself years ago, caught between exhaustion and the urge to push through everything. Until one day, a therapist looked me in the eyes and asked, "Have you ever tried progressive relaxation?" At the time, I had no idea that one simple technique would change how I handle stress for the rest of my life. Today, I'm passing that technique on to you not as a list of instructions, but as a lived experience, a journey that you and I will walk together, one muscle group at a time. The turning point, the first time I practiced progressive relaxation, I didn't fully believe it would work. It sounded almost too simple. Tense the muscles, release them, breathe slowly, pay attention. But the moment I started, something surprising happened. I realized just how disconnected I was from my own body. I had been walking around tightened like a coiled spring, and I didn't even know it. So today, whether you're exhausted, anxious, overwhelmed, or just curious, this step-by-step journey will help you reconnect with yourself in a way you might not have experienced in years. Preparing your space, setting up your sanctuary. Before we begin, imagine creating a small sanctuary, nothing fancy, just a place where your mind knows it's allowed to pause. A soft chair? Let this moment belong entirely to you. Step 1. Breathing your internal reset button. Start by taking a slow breath in through your nose. Not the short kind of breath you take when you check your phone or rush through tasks, the kind that fills your entire torso. Feel the air expanding your lungs, your ribs, your back. Hold it for a moment. Now release slowly, like you're letting go of something heavy you've been carrying all day. Do this again. Inhale, pause, exhale. As you breathe, I want you to imagine a simple idea. With every exhale, something inside you softens. Not everything at once, just enough to feel a shift. Step 2. Awareness. Meeting your body where it is now. Bring your attention to your body. Noticing is the first step toward healing. Scan from your forehead down to your feet. Notice the tension hiding in familiar places. Your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your lower back. Notice what feels heavy, what feels stiff, what feels tired. Don't try to fix anything yet. Just observe. This moment of awareness is already progress. Step 3. Feet. Beginning the journey upward. Let S start your relaxation journey from the bottom up. Focus on your feet. Inhale and tighten the muscles. Curl your toes. Tense the arches. Hold that contraction. Hold. Now exhale and release everything. Feel the difference between tension and relaxation. That contrast is your body learning. Step 4. Legs. Letting the heaviness melt, move to your calves. Tighten them as if you're pressing your feet into the floor. Hold, release. Feel your legs becoming heavier, warmer, softer. Step 5. Abdomen. Releasing what you hold inside. Your stomach and abdomen carry emotional tension far more than you realize. Inhale and tighten your core. Hold it, then release, letting your muscles go soft and free. Notice how your breath begins to deepen naturally when this area relaxes. Step 6. Hands. The places stress loves to hide. Your hands tell the story of your day. They grip, they type, they carry, they clench without you noticing. Make fists. Squeeze gently but firmly. Hold now, release. As the tension fades, imagine stress flowing out through your fingertips like grains of sand slipping away. Step 7. Arms. Finding lightness again. Tighten your forearms and biceps. Hold, release. With every release, imagine your arms becoming lighter, almost floating. Step 8. Shoulders. The burdens you carry. Your shoulders are emotional storage units. Stress settles here like dust. Lift your shoulders toward your ears. Hold them tightly. Now let them drop slowly, heavily, intentionally. Feel the weight fall away. Feel the space that opens in your chest. Step 9. Neck. Where the mind and body meet. Gently tighten the muscles along the back of your neck, not too much. Hold. Imagine warmth spreading through this area, loosening everything that once felt stuck. Step 10. Face. Softening your expression. Your face carries your unspoken emotions. Let's release them. Tighten your jaw. Release. Squeeze your eyes shut. Release. Raise your eyebrows. Release. Now, imagine your entire face softening, as if a warm breeze is melting the tension away. Layering the relaxation, the full body wave. Now that every muscle group has been activated and released, take a moment to feel the whole body as one connected system. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation starting at your feet and slowly rising up with calves, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders, arms, neck, face. With every breath, the wave grows stronger. With every exhale, something deep within you lets go. This is your body remembering how to soften, how to trust, how to rest. Adding the mind. Visualization now. Let's invite your imagination into the process. Picture a scene that brings you peace: a beach at sunset, a quiet forest, a field of soft grass, a warm room filled with golden light. Whatever place feels safe and grounding. Imagine you're standing there. Feel the temperature, hear the sounds, smell the air. Let your mind step fully inside that moment. As you breathe, let that imagined calm spread through your real body. Affirmations, reprogramming from the inside out. Now repeat silently in your mind. I am safe. I am calm. I am letting go. My body knows how to relax. Let each phrase sink deeper than the last. Affirmations aren't magic words. They are mental anchors pulling you back into yourself. Integration, returning to your life with a lighter spirit. Take a final deep breath. Notice how your body feels now compared to when you began. Notice the softness, the warmth, the quiet. This state is yours. You created it, and you can return to it anytime you choose. Don't let tension decide your day. Use this technique and reclaim your calm whenever you need it most.